They took all the men, barely made a search, out of their sleeping beds and down to the church. The quiet, dusty streets, no one said a word. What lay in store for them? The enemy were their lords. Simple island people by the shores of the China Sea. What had they done to bring on the Japanese? Not a kind word. The roosters crowed at dawn, the simple dusty town on which bullseye was drawn. Oh, the waves danced through the night and sang with the wind, so I could hear the sound of the rooster's crow to bring me back again. Oh, how could you think of death on such a beautiful day, making up such a terrible dream? Why, they took the man away, made us march into the church, beating arms and legs, forcing a few unfortunates to pick from the boys and men, guessing who was innocent. You had to make a choice, picking from the fear, from the eyes of the men and boys. Oh, the waves danced through the night and sang with the wind, so I could hear the sound of the rooster's crow to bring me back again. Marched us to the beach, knelt on the Philippine sand, drawing up on sunset. I looked at the Japanese men, they were looking at our watches, glinting in the sun. Thought they'd make a killing and get our jewelry with their guns. The sunlight was shining in the eyes closest to me. I threw sand into his face and ran into the sea. Made it through the night, though I could barely see. I lost my glasses too when I jumped to the China Sea. When I heard the roosters calling, keeping me close to shore, some farmers found me close to dawn. I was the only survivor. The rest of the boys, theirs are buried in the square, brought back in a basket. They had found them laying there. Oh, the waves danced through the night and sang with the wind, so I could hear the sound of the rooster's crow to bring me back again. Oh, bring me back again.